Good afternoon, guys. It is now, late na akong mag-vlog. It is already 4 p.m. in the afternoon, July 19. So, magmimerienda kami kasi nung umaga, I do the editing nung kahapon na vlog. Ayan. Coffee tayo and we will eat our leftover pizza and ginger, ano ba ito? Toast bread. Toast bread. Kain tayo, guys. Kain. So, ayun yung mag-ama. Nag-ano sila. Hello! Si Samantha pala, guys, meron na siyang YouTube channel na Samantha's Playworld. So, yung mga toys niya nandun. So, if you have a time, try to visit and subscribe din sa mga anak-anak nyo. So, yan. Ayan. So, yung pizza ko, guys, ganun din ba kayo? Nilalagyan ko siya ng salt. Little bit of salt, saka pepper. Oh, baka dumami yung pepper. Take a video? Yeah, I will take a video. Wait lang. Oh, yeah! Oh my gosh, ang dami ng pepper. Okay na yan, guys. Tignan nyo yung dalawa. Go! Hi! Magpe-play na naman kami ni Ata. Look nyo pala, guys, yung toys ni Ata, oh. Ang dami. Yung cabinet, we bought it in IKEA. Look! Mahilig siya, guys, sa horse. Ayan. Tapos yung mga ito, may mga toys din sa baba. Ayan.
Hey, guys! I will show you how to use this.
This one, ayan.
Hey, guys! First, do you see this one is hard? It's not soft, so you can see a little character there. Look.
Cupcake doll. So nice, so cute, oh.
Then, look.
There's a lot of, na ngayon, new toy invention. Ayan, look at her stuffed toy.
Look at this.
Dami na niyang
look
stuffed
at this
toys.
one. This one also comes with the comb, but they didn't use the comb. Maybe. Look at her face.
Oh.
Like this. To put this.
Pero guys, mostly the toys of Samantha is gift from other people, and we got it in the playhouse, yung mga arcade house, yung mga tickets. Hindi namin siya hindi yan mga binibili. Like this one, this is a Rapunzel castle. Ayan, we got it there in the arcade house with the tickets. Ayan. Ayan, yan room niya. Ayan si Daddy. Look at the hair. What a hair. We are here sa room ni Samantha. Ayan na. Ayan si Daddy. Ayan si Daddy. Oh! Ata, come here.
I have no space to go to the middle.
Come on. Okay. You'll stay in the side. Wala kamukha ni Samantha. Comment below. Comment below who among mommy and daddy looks like this baby. Grabe, walang pores yung face niya. Ang kinis. And so puti. Walang eye bags. I wish I have her skin. You want to go? No? Why?
Maybe, yeah.
Later naman yun. 7 o'clock,
okay.
Like that.
I want to come with you guys because I love it.
Yay! Tell them follow me in my YouTube channel.
Follow me
on my YouTube.
In my other YouTube from Shopkin.
Ayan, para productive yung day natin, nag-aayos ako nung cabinet. Yung first and the second, naayos ko na siya, and I throw yung mga unnecessary things there. Kasi, di ba, minsan, sometimes we are just like that. Kinikip natin, but we are not using it. Lalo na sis, yung mga cologne, oh, ang daming mga ano, na hindi naman. Kasi, sometimes, if it is sale here in the UAE, like this one, see, it's like, original price is merong 75, and cleaners out, it's only 50, and naging 20 na lang sa Bath and Body Works. So, may mga season talaga na ganun. So, yun. Kaya, nag-stock up and then, napapatungan, hindi na siya nagagamit. So, medyo productive naman yung 5 days off dahil marami akong naayos. I fix yung mga papers ni Samantha for the school, yung mga memo na old memos, I throw it out. Yung cabinet, yung mga damit ko, I also sort it out. Inano ko na rin siya, inayos ko siya. Ito, like this alcohol. Yan. Itong alcohol. Parang ilang ano na to, years na to dito. Teka. Tignan ko nga. Kasi ayoko ng maraming kalat. Sitapon din ako eh. Look guys, we have the massager.
And this one is real tickles. Look, check out. Guys. And if you can also put this one here so you can massage it in your back too. Look, check it out in the back.
Ready for grocery shopping guys. Si Daddy, ang tagal, naliligo. Galing siya kasi ng gym. Ata is ready. Nag-i-eat siya. Ayun na. Hello, kawai.
Hello.
Ata is ready. Bili lang kami guys ng viand. We will buy viand, ulam sa Lulu for 5 days kasi mas tipid yun. Actually, mas okay yun. And then, ano na bang? Tulungan nyo naman kami mag-isip ng ulam. Ang hirap mag-isip ng ulam, ano? Lahat na luto mo na adobo, sinigang, nilaga, ano pa ba? Parang lahat na lang, wala nang maisip. Kaya, ayun. So, minimal makeup lang guys. Minimal lang siya. And then, ano pa to? Lip gloss. Lip gloss lang. Ayoko maglagay ng heavy ano. Tapos guys, naglagay ako ng ano sa face. Ng baking soda with lemon. Tignan mo yung nose ko, oh. Ang kinis. Trinay ko siya kasi maraming hacks. Mga beauty hacks. Hindi pa pala ako nakakagawa ng beauty hacks video. Abangan nyo rin yan. Maganda yan. They said that pantanggal ng blackheads is baking soda and water actually. But trinay ko yung lemon. Parang i-ano mo lang siya, gawin mo lang siyang mask and then badlawan mo rin siya. Diba magda-dry up siya sa face. Saka pang ano siya ng mga pimple, pang pawala daw. Go grocery na kami. Mainit pa rin, pero not like yesterday. Ilang degree ba? 41, 42.
100 degree.
Daddy said 100 degree again.
Always is
so, if you have a suggested ulam, please comment below. Namumblema na si Daddy kung anong ulamin. Bababa na kami. Nandito na kami sa Lulu Hyper Kuwaitan. Dito na. Ma-orange. Ma-orange yung ano. Ayan si Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Anong ulam mo? Anong menu mo?
Toge.
Guys, wala na siyang maisip na menu. Toge daw. Tulungan natin siya. Usual, nandito na naman kami sa toy area. Titingin na si Ata ng toys. Ayan. Ayan. O sige, go. Which cupcake? Kuya Hans, look, there's a Ninja Turtle. Nice. Who is that one? Cat? Oh, that's Tom. They're selling this box. 29 dirham. You want this for your school? No? That's bigger than you. Where's Daddy? After 100 million years, nakita rin namin si Daddy. Nawawala siya. Looking for... What is this? What you will buy, Daddy?
This is the GPO.
For the... Kasi napupuno na yung memory namin. Kaka-video. Guys, we will do some grocery haul. Tignan muna natin yung mabibili namin dito. May mga sale sa Lulu. Marami. Ayan, nabili namin. Puro ulam. Lumpia wrapper, chicken breast, beef, tapos may fish, milk, cereal, ano to, fish cracker, juice, cereal, drink, and then this one. What is this? Vermicelli noodles.
This one is...
And
We got...
coconut. And then may pinakamahal kaming nabili.
We also
Ayan.
got juice.
Yan, na-occupy niya yung buong trolley. Ayan guys, bili kami ng jackfruit, 20 dirham siya. May sampagita dito, oh, 4 dirham. Nakakamiss yung amoy sa simbahan. And changing battery of my watch. Yes. Napalagyan ko na ng battery yung watch. Then, uwi na rin kami. Tapos na kami mag-grocery. So, guys, ayun si Daddy. Ikaw naman maghawak ng ano. Please comment below, guys, for more videos. And subscribe, guys, for more videos. So, yung sunod natin is mag-visit tayo ng restaurant. Kasi puro makeup. So, food naman. So, bye-bye. God bless.